Hello, welcome. This is blockchainbloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atla Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about this XRP Spot ETF news, which turned out to be fake. This is very important, and we should talk about these topics, spot ETF news related to crypto pumping up here and there, because you should be very, very careful. People making serious money with fake news here. And then the second thing I would like to talk about is that according to Blockchain Association, US could kill DeFi unless IRS changes courses on tax rules. So what is this all about? I'll tell you in a second. And then we have a number of Bitcoin millionaire wallets triple in this year, 2023. So don't forget, every single day I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain related news here on Blockchain Bloom. Bottom line, if you do not want to miss a single thing, if you would keep yourself up to date, then very simple, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and then you're going to stay up to date. That's the goal. And also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. So let's do it. Okay, and when we're looking at the prices, we can see that actually Bitcoin is now down 0.5%, just like Ethereum. Bitcoin is 36,322, while Ethereum 20,036 US dollar. Sorry, I missed that one. I wanted to say 24 hours. So 1.5, Bitcoin is down 1.5%, and yes, Ethereum is down 0.5%. Okay, when we're looking at the top gainers, BitGet token is up 13%, Fracshare 9%, and Gnosis up almost 6% in the top 100. The loser of the top 100 is Cosmos right now with 12% drop. Then we have TIA with 12% drop, and Filecoin down 10% at the moment. And yeah, when we're looking at here the Bitcoin candlestick chart, we can see that we have this massive yellow trend line here, and this worked so far as support. We came down, we were rejected by this 37,000 to 34,000-ish line, what I have drew here. And yeah, we're going to see how we continue, because we can break down, actually. We're going to see how weak the bull's going to be in the next couple of hours, days, all the way to 35, and maybe theoretically to 32,000. This can happen, but this is, when we're looking at the big picture, totally healthy correction. So that would be actually fine, but any news can come which pumps the price. So now we are in an exciting time. Anyway, talking about news, there are also fake news, and this wasn't the first one related to Spot ETF. This time it was about XRP. Okay, so yesterday we could see XRP price pumping, and this was because of fake news. Yeah, XRP's price actually went up 10% just because of this. As you can see here, that it looked like for a short period of time that there is an XRP filling for a spot XRP ETF by BlackRock iShares, and yeah, it turned out to be fake. It looks like somebody just changed the Ethereum one and just moved the data and published it, posted it somewhere, probably on social media, and that it got viral straight away, and a lot of people shared it, that this is here the new big thing, and therefore XRP price started to go up. Of course, there are some experts, just like Eric Balkunas, who wrote straight away that this is false, and but it took some time. And this was the same, if you do remember what happened about the approval by the SEC of the Bitcoin Spot ETF a couple of weeks ago. How quickly Bitcoin price started to jump and then came back. Now, same happened to the XRP. XRP went up 10%, then came back to the spot where it was just before. And you should be aware of these things, because people know that, spot ETF crypto topic is right now hot. So if they can put some fake news out and they, you know, put some money in that cryptocurrency and use some leverage, then they can make serious amount of money. And you shouldn't believe straight away what you see just, you know, popping up on social media posts. Double check it, chill, wait for a second, because if it's real, then it's going to continue probably for a longer time. But if it's fake, then it's very important that don't jump on board straight away and using, you know, huge leverage just to make a lot of money, because those are the losers. And maybe this wasn't the last one, so we should be really aware of this. They're kind of playing with us, put it this way. Okay. Then the second topic I would like to discuss is all about that according to Blockchain Association, US could kill DeFi unless IRS changes course on tax rules. So according to Blockchain Association, DeFi is in danger in the United States. And okay, let's talk about this. So, you know, just one sec. So the tax collector's definition, you know, IRS definition of the word broker, you know, and that was proposed late in August, would all but destroy the American DeFi industry. So the rule would broaden the term, basically broker, to apply to any centralized crypto exchange operating in the United States. Or, that's now the important part, to any crypto project that directly or actually indirectly facilitates the transfer of digital assets belonging to another person. This would, the group said, apply to any DeFi protocol, thus making American centralized exchanges and decentralized finance projects subject to the same reporting rule as bond and stock brokers. And the Blockchain Association says this is an impossible standard to impose on DeFi projects. So they now forcing the IRS changing the rule because then DeFi could be in trouble in the United States. Of course, you know, banks and the big guys not really worrying about this because for them, it's much better if everything stays centralized. Now the spot ETFs coming out and they can live with this, so they don't really need the DeFi thing. But DeFi is very important in many other cases, not for them, to be honest with you. So right now, this is the whole thing. And as we can see, United States is not really crypto friendly recently. So many projects moving out of the United States, because worldwide, we don't have problems like this. But in the United States, yeah, they make crypto life a bit more difficult. It's not all about, you know, Bitcoin, because now they're talking about approved Bitcoin spot ETF and maybe, you know, Ethereum spot ETF coming up as well. However, for they would like to have the control. They would like to do this kind of, you know, ETFs and all these kind of things. So they can make money with it. With the DeFi project, they cannot, and they would like to have the control, bottom line. Therefore, they don't want to do this. So this is what Blockchain Association is now saying. We're going to see what's going to happen about this. Right, okay. And now, a fact that a number of Bitcoin millionaire wallets tripled in this year, 2023. So not just Bitcoin prices going up, but with this, actually, the number of Bitcoin millionaire wallets actually tripled in 2023. So according to BitInfo charts data, you know, addresses with more than $1 million of Bitcoin increased from, that was on the 1st of January, 23,795 to 81,925 currently, and this is a 237% increase in the last 11 months. Actually, it's important to point out that many addresses with more than 1 million Bitcoin belong to crypto exchanges and financial institutions. Okay, so that's important. And if you would like to compare it to all-time high in these addresses, then we have to go back all the way to November 2021, around, you know, the previous Bitcoin all-time high. Back then, we had addresses with more than 1 million Bitcoin on it. Sorry, $1 million worth of Bitcoin on it. 112,573. That was the previous peak, and yeah. That shows that the Bitcoin price went up quite significantly, more than 100% this year already, and this increased the number of these addresses as well. And of course, there are more and more who are accumulating Bitcoin, have accumulated Bitcoin during the bear market, and that caused this too. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day I bring you the fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain related news here on Blockchain Bloom. So if you don't want to miss a single thing, just simply subscribe. And if you like this kind of content, what I'm creating every single day, you know, making short videos, longer videos, then definitely hit the like button. See you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.